sir, I hail from Speaker, sir, I hail from Chikmagalur. Speaker, sir, I hail from Chikmagalur, which is the Malnad Western Ghat region of Karnataka. Thousands of farmers in Karnataka from this region are also affected by landslides and the rains. Areca nut growers and coffee growers have lost crops worth thousands of crores. Until today, Karnataka Congress government has not given any compensation to these farmers. And this is
वेणुगोपाल जी आप बोले आप conclude कीजिए।
कर्नाटक गवर्नमेंट
वेणुगोपाल जी
right I have to raise.
आप प्लीज
Sir, let me conclude, sir. Sir, I can understand, sir. Sir, in Malayalam there is a proverb. Shiramullor agidin chugattilum chora danna kaudugini kaudugam.
मैं दोनों को बोल रहा हूँ, तेजस्वी जी को भी, वेणुगोपाल जी को भी।
Just 1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute we are asking.
पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर जब बोल दिया है,
Sir, Wayanad. Sir, entire country is praying for Wayanad now. Entire people of India
उसमें आप बताइए
praying for Wayanad. Entire world is praying for Wayanad. Sir, we need to
रेल मंत्रालय के
politicizing that issue is very bad.
Go through Article 120 of the Constitution. What is the language to be used in the House, in Parliament is also, it is English and Hindi. But if no, after 15 years, it is not possible to have in Hindi unless a law provides. There is no.
Okay.
Sir, 1 second, I will conclude. I am on merit because let the government answer. So my point is, 348 clause 1B of article is very specific. Authoritative text of the bill should be in English, but this is violating it. That is why I am questioning the legislative competence of the bill in introducing before this House.
थैंक यू वेंकम पेंशन जी। प्रोफेसर सौगत राय जी नहीं, अन्य मंत्री जी।
Thank you very much, Chairman sir. Sir, first of all, I would like to inform the August House why there was a need to bring this bill, which is the Bharatiya Vayuyan Videyak. And this obviously originates from the Aircraft Act, which has been established during the British time in 1934. And lot of amendments have been made in the Act over numerous occasions, sir. At least to the tune of 21 amendments have been made. And while the amendments have been made, they have been put up, plugged into the original Act in bits and pieces. So because of which there was a lot of confusion in the Act, there was a lot of grey area, there was a lot of redundancy which has originated, and also whatever civil aviation guidelines, rules, protocols that we follow in this country, it is, I'll just explain to the August House that why I'm bringing the bill first and then I'll come to your point also, sir. So this is because of the ICAO, whatever guidelines and procedures it suggests, we follow them so that it is, we are recognized globally to be an important signatory of the ICAO, sir. And according to that, we have brought a new principal act, which whatever confusion was there earlier, whatever redundancy was there, we have totally kept it outside, and we have brought a consolidated principal act which is going to address all the concerns or the recommendations which ICAO has recommended us. And coming to the point where the Honorable MP Premchandran ji has raised, sir, regarding the 348(1)(b) or the 120 and 343, sir, all these points have been extensively discussed during the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, Bharatiya Sakshya Adhinayam, and Jan Vishwas, and then Binami property. There was discussed. We have properly. I don't see any reason. We are not violating any constitutional provision by mentioning the name of the act as Bharatiya Vayuyan Videyak. What is the problem? What is the problem with it? There is no problem at all, sir. We are trying to भारत की एक नई पहचान हम बनाना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए हमने भारतीय वायुयान विधेयक रखा है, तो इसके लिए किसी को कोई दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए, sir. It is just to create our own identity we are keeping, considering the constitutional provision, considering the constitutional provision, sir. All the other, that text is in English only. There shouldn't be any problem, sir. I request the whole house to provide the permission to introduce the bill.
कि विधायक को पुनर्स्थापित करने की अनुमति प्रदान की जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हाँ कहे, जो सदस्य विरोध में ना कहे, मेरे विचार में निर्णय हालों के पक्ष में हुआ, अनुमति प्रदान की जाती है। माननीय मंत्री जी अब विधेयक को पूरा स्थापित करें।
I introduce the bill, sir.
थैंक यू। श्री तेजस्वी सूर्या जी, प्लीज।
Speaker, sir, I would want to take your permission to raise an issue concerning the southern states in general and Kerala in particular. Over the last few days, unfortunately, the landslides in Wayanad have taken away lives of more than 160 innocent people. Over the last 5 years, Speaker Sir, more than 350 people have died due to landslide disasters and accidents in Kerala in just the last 5 years alone. Unbridled, unregulated economic activity, commercial activity, including quarrying and mining in eco-sensitive areas of the Western Ghats is the primary reason for this. Many reports were submitted earlier which were rejected successively by the UDF and the LDF governments in Kerala the last so many years. And sir,
Please,
in the last so many years, there has not been any long-term effort that has been taken. There has not been any long-term solutions that have been thought of to regulate the commercialization of these eco-sensitive zones. Speaker sir, while I'm here,
Minister, just a minute. Parliamentary Affairs Minister.
Sir.
Please. Parliamentary Affairs Minister बोल रहा है, please बैठिए, please. आप सुनिए मंत्री जी को सुनिए, उसके बाद. पहले आप मंत्री जी को सुनिए, उसके बाद आप.
Sir, this is just a moment while ago a decision was taken. Our honourable member is not aware of it. Venugopal ji, your wait, listen.
Please, Premchand Nandi, please. Just आप सुनिए.
Just now, our leader from Congress party, Venugopal ji, also. What is
इधर बोलिए, मंत्री जी इधर बोलिए.
Is there some decorum or not in the house? Honorable member Venugopal ji made a request that many members of parliament from Kerala and from other political parties also would like to speak on the natural calamity, the tragic incident happened in Kerala. So from the government side, we also agreed, and we went to the honorable speaker and he agreed to provide a time for calling attention today. That is what I want to inform, because our honorable member is not aware of that because the decision was taken very late. That is why I am informing that a rule, whatever rule is decided, calling attention matter is already agreed upon, and a discussion will start maybe around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock, which will be informed to the honorable house.
Okay. Venugopal ji. Okay. एक मिनट.
Just 1 minute, sir.
Venugopal ji.
Sir, yesterday itself we raised that issue in this house by the honorable leader of opposition itself. Sir, there is no word to say about that. The incident which happened in Kerala, Wayanad, there is no word, because people are inside the soil now also. Not many body recovered, sir. People are inside there. We don't want to make it as a politicized issue also. That's why yesterday also we want a response. We already told we want a response from the government. The people of the state government, central government agencies, all the NGOs, people are doing rescue work. Sir. 1 minute, sir. They are all doing rescue work.
बोल दिया है.
Now,
इस विषय के ऊपर चर्चा होगा.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir. It is very unfortunate from a member from Treasury benches using this platform for politicizing the issue. We are all for praying.
Yes.
We are all praying. How many lives can be saved now?
Okay.
Sir, which ground you allowed him to speak, sir? There is no zero over.
Thank you, Venugopal. Tejaswi ji, just conclude in 1 minute. Okay.
Speaker sir, I hail from Chikmagalur.
Tejaswi ji, आप बैठिए ना, please.
Speaker sir, I hail from Chikmagalur, which is the Malnad Western Ghat region of Karnataka. Thousands of farmers in Karnataka from this region are also affected by landslides and the rains. Areca nut growers and coffee growers have lost crops worth thousands of crores. Until today, Karnataka Congress government has not given any compensation to these farmers. And this is
Venugopal ji, आप बोलिए, आप conclude कीजिए.
Karnataka government.
Venugopal ji,
right I have to raise.
आप please बैठिए.
Sir, let me conclude, sir. Sir, I can understand, sir. Sir, in Malayalam there is a proverb. ക്ഷീരമുള്ളവർ അകിടിൻ ചുവട്ടിലും ചോര തന്നെ കൗതുകിന് കൗതുകം.
मैं दोनों को बोल रहा हूँ, तेजस्वी जी को भी, वेणुगोपाल जी को भी।
Just 1 minute, sir. Sir, 1 minute we are asking.
पार्लियामेंट्री अफेयर्स मिनिस्टर जब बोल दिया है,
Sir, वायनाड. Sir, entire country is praying for Wayanad now.
बजे के बाद
Entire
discussion
people
होगा।
of India
उसमें आप बताइए, जो
praying
भी
for
बताना
Wayanad. Entire world is for crying for Wayanad.
Thank you, केशव।
Sir, we need
अभी
to
रेल मंत्रालय के उन्नति की
politicizing that
मांग
issue
पर
is very
चर्चा,
bad.
श्री टीएम सेल्ला गणपति जी, टीएम सेल्ला गणपति जी।
इसके ऊपर चल
Honorable Chairperson.